welcome all the GATE Civil Engineering aspirants and welcome to this orientation session for your Parakram batch for Civil Engineering for GATE 2027. So, GATE 2027 is not far. This is already the month of May is getting over. So, we have hardly June, July, August, September, October, November, December, and January. We have 8 months approximately left for your GATE exam. And this is the right time that you start your preparation for GATE exam, because if you don't start now, then it will be little late if you're starting after June or July. So the month of May is a perfect time to start your preparation, and therefore the GATE Wallah team has launched a batch for you. So this is the Parakram batch, which is a 1 year batch, but obviously you will be finishing the syllabus before December because you will be revising in the month of January. So this batch will complete by December. So the name of the batch is Parakram 2.0 2027 batch C. Yes. And let us first go to the year planner. You can see that this particular batch you will be finishing the syllabus by December. So it is starting tomorrow, May of 20. We're starting with strength of materials, and then you're going into different subject. All the subjects for your GATE exam will be covered in this. The important subjects, all subjects are important for GATE exam. So first we're starting with strength of materials, then we have hydrology, geotech, RCC, steel structures, structure analysis, the very beautiful environment, irrigation, not so beautiful but very nice, fluid mechanics, and then surveying, engineering mechanics, open channel flow, highway. These subjects will be in the weekend morning hours, and these subjects will be covered in the weekdays. Okay, so you can see that and also the important subjects of your engineering mathematics and aptitude. So all the syllabus will be completed, and the target is to complete by December 31st, so that you can revise in the month of January. So it's the right time to start. Don't delay after this. Obviously, after that also there will be some batches launched, but then you will not get sufficient time for revision. So therefore, this is the right time you should start your preparation. So this was the yearly planner, and this is also available in the app. Now, this batch will have different features. So if you are enrolling in this batch, then first of all, there will be lectures. Obviously, all the subjects, all the important topics will be first covered. And after you cover those lectures, you need a lot of question practice, right? You need a lot of question practice, you need doubt clearance. So in question practice, we have the DPP concept, the daily practice questions, which are chapter wise or some chapters combined with the video solutions. Then we also have in this DPP, there will be questions in the GATE format. GATE format means there will be MCQs, MSQs, NAT, and tests also will be there. In every subject, there will be tests. So in every subject, you will get the video lectures, which will be live, and the recording of that live will be available for you, obviously. And then there will be test, there will be daily practice questions. So a lot of things are there for you. So it is a whole package, right? So first of all, you have the lectures, you have the live, you have the recording, then you have the practice questions, then you have the test. So a lot of things. Now, coming to the faculty, so you might be knowing most of the faculties, but if you don't know, most of the faculties have been teaching in the field of GATE and DSC from quite a long time now, almost more than a decade. Myself, Satyajeet, Sahu, I am teaching from last 15 years. So all are having very good experience in GATE. So you can go through the faculties in the batch. There is demo videos, and about each faculty it is mentioned. Okay, so each faculties, if I start telling about the faculties, it will be a long time. So you can go to the app. In the app, you can see their credentials, and also you can see the demo lectures, okay. And so in this batch we have little different varieties of batch. So normal batch which you will be taking, that is the normal batch, you will be getting the live recorded lectures, then practice sheet, video solutions, all those things will be getting. Now there is something known as Infinity Learning and then Infinity Pro, right? So in Infinity Learning, what extra you will be getting? Extra you will be getting the Khajana. Khajana means all old past lectures, like different batches lectures will be available, so you can see the recordings, okay. Then the previous year book will be available, then one-to-one mentorship, interview guidance program for PSUs, and get test series. Now these things will get additional if you are taking the Infinity plan. Yes, and if you are taking the Infinity Pro, then you will be getting the practice book and then free access to 1500 batch, and then some other important guidance, like you get a closed group with the faculties where you can interact with them. Okay, anyhow you will be interacting with the faculties in the classes. So if you want some more interaction, then you can take this Pro batch. In that you will get the set of 3 workbooks, which is very important. You see, these workbooks are very important for a GATE exam, because in this a lot of questions are there, like there's thousands of questions are there. See, first of all you learn the concepts in the class, that's very good, then you give some test, but in GATE exam it is very much required that you practice more questions, therefore you have designed this workbook, and very nice workbooks. I have gone through the workbook, very beautiful workbooks, comes in volume 1, volume 2, more than 4000 questions for civil engineering, and then lot of questions for your mathematics. So please go through this workbook if you take the Infinity Pro batch, okay. So now if somebody tells, no sir, I will take the normal batch, that is also fine, very nice. If you take normal batch, also very nice. If you take Infinity, also very nice. If you get Infinity Pro, also extra nice. So but take something and start your preparation. Yes, the base is there to start your preparation, and then if you want some more features, you can always take the Infinity or Infinity Pro, okay. Now exploring the batch, so you can search this batch name, Parakram 2.0, okay, 2027 batch C, and then you can click the buy now and then take the batch. Now if you open the batch page, you can see that in the batch page you will see all these things. You can see there are different subjects, strength of metal, hydrology. So once the subjects are been talked, then you will get the videos of those subjects inside these folders. You'll also get the class notes, the DPPs, the video solutions, everything will get subject wise. So it's very nicely structured for you, so that you don't have to be worried about it. Yes. Then as I told, you can get the demo videos. If somebody wants to see the demo videos before enrolling in the batch, they can see the demo videos of different faculties, right? And you can see that like this, for every subject you will get, okay, you can see that in every subject there is DPP attached with the chapter. There is lecture notes also attached, DPP video also attached. You can see notes is there, DPP is there, DPP PDF is there, DPP video solution is there. So all these things will be attached with the lecture, so you don't have to go anywhere else. You can see this is the concept of DPP, like every chapter will have some practice questions, and along with that video solutions will be there. Yes. So there's a doubt engine also. So if somebody, you want to ask some doubts, you can just go to a particular slide. This is called the slide map. You can just go to the slide map and just ask your question. Okay, you can take a screenshot also, you can ask a question, and that will be clear for you. And for any technical or app related issue, you can always contact us, and also you can tell the faculties, they will be helping you if there is some very big problem. Normally there is not much problem with the app, but if some problem happens, there is always, you know, a team to help you out. Okay, thank you very much. So the if I conclude the session, okay, so as I told, that is the month of May, so we have around 8 to 9 months left for your GATE exam. So you should be starting your preparation now, so that you don't to get sufficient time for revision. Otherwise, if you start in August, September, then also you can clear the exam. See, if you start in August, September, there are good chances that you can clear the exam, but then that will be very clumsy and things will become very hectic. So if you don't want to make things hectic, then what you should do, you start now. Okay, best time, so start your preparation. Take this batch, and you can see the features are there, very good features. And then, as I told the planner, tomorrow we are going to start May 20, strength of materials. I'll be teaching you strength of materials, and then other teachers will take over, and the whole syllabus will be completed by December 31st. And if you see the normal batch, you will get almost all the important features, like you will get the video lectures, recording, then you will get the DPPs, you will get the test, out engine, yes, everything. But if you want some more, if you take Infinity, then you get the GATE workbook, and you get a GATE test series and mentorship program. If you take the Infinity Pro, you will get the Super 1500 batch, which is very good batch. Then you get the Abhyas, and then you will also get a closed group with the faculty. So these are the features you can say. But anything you take, whether to take the normal batch or take the Infinity or you take Infinity Pro, you will be benefited. Any batch you will take will be benefited. Okay, so please start your preparation, and see you in the class. Thank you very much.